Hey everyone, Dr. Todd Riddle, sports chiropractor in Webster, Texas, and I'm actually coming to you from my own home today because I can't think of a better place to talk about home exercise, and more specifically doing home exercise safely. It's a very big part of my practice. I enjoy sending patients home with exercises to do in between visit. It empowers people to take control of their health care, and we actually get a lot more work done that way. And this is a particularly important topic now because of COVID, gyms being closed. Sometimes people are a little bit leery about going to the gym, and I completely understand that. So we're seeing a lot of home exercise, and I'm specifically seeing a lot of videos on different social media outlets where maybe the safety of the exercises that are being done leave a bit to be desired. You've probably seen the videos yourself where somebody anchored a band or some kind of suspension trainer to drywall and didn't make sure it was reinforced and pulled a big chunk of drywall out of the ceiling, or tied something off to a chandelier and pulled the chandelier down. Either way, we've got to start making sure that if we're going to do exercise from home, that we're doing it as safely as possible and without creating any damage. And I have a pretty simple solution for that. And it's a very simple door anchor. This one actually happens to be a TheraBand. I'm trying to see, there we go. TheraBand CLX door anchor. I use these in class all the time. I recommend these for patients all the time because they're very simple and actually very inexpensive. And here's how they work. You simply open up your door, slide it through, and pull the door shut. It really can't get any simpler than that. However, there are some recommendations I would make here. I would be on the side of the door that it closes to instead of opens to. This way you don't have to worry about the door coming open when you pull on it. The only thing you do want to make sure of is that anybody that's in the house on the inside knows you're out here doing exercise so that they don't open the door from the inside. But this is a good way to make sure that the door actually doesn't come open as you're pulling on the door anchor. Once you've got the door anchor in place, you can simply slide your band through, and now you can work on external rotation. You can work on pressing exercises. You can work on your I's, Y's, and T's. I've even seen people use suspension trainers like your TRX trainer or rings secured to a door using the anchor. Another reason I really like these style of anchors is that they're small, they're very lightweight, and they can actually go into luggage with you. So when travel does open back up, or maybe you're traveling now and finding it difficult to exercise because, again, maybe the gym at the hotel is closed, now you have an option to take something with you, hang it over the hotel door, and get your workouts inside of your hotel room. It's very simple to do. Another great feature is that this one in particular was actually designed to be opened up, and you can reattach the Velcro to itself. There we go. Had to make sure it was going the right way so that it forms a loop and it can actually wrap around a post. So you can open up the Velcro there, slide it around a post, and then you can feed your band through it. It's a very sturdy construction. You can see the ends are tied off there so that it will not come through the door. It's also made of nylon, very heavy construction. So again, I have zero worries when recommending this style of door anchor to patients to do work from home. Again, lightweight, travels everywhere. You can tie off a multitude of different bands to it. You've got your TheraBands. I know a lot of people use power bands, as I mentioned earlier. You can use TRX bands or other suspension style trainers and have little to no worry about the safety of whether or not it's going to stay in place. I'm really glad to see you guys doing exercise. Keep living those healthy lifestyles. Try to get outside. Spend a little bit outside in the sun. I actually have the benefit of having a sunny day here, but when you get a chance, get outside and do a little bit of exercise. If you found these tips helpful, give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'd be grateful if you gave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more stuff like this there on a regular basis. Keep up the great work, guys, and I'll see you next time.